This project is a wrap. I have the narrow face float. It's about 7/16 wide, about 6 or 7 inches long. I'm going to use this for abutments and for flattening out the beds of the planes. I have an edge float. This is 1/4 inch 01 tool steel. All the floats are 1 inch wide. The handles are maple, pinned with brass, epoxied on. This one is 1/4 inch thick. This one is an edge float, but it's skewed. It's going to be for skewed rabbet planes and anything else that's got a skew on the plane and the wedge. So this is 3/16 thick, but the cutting face is 1/4 of an inch. So I had this laying around and I figured while I'm doing everything, let me go ahead and do all this too. These are sanded to 220 and they came out real nice. This is going to be comfortable to hold. I rounded off the back a little bit, so when you're using it, it won't jab into the palm of your hand. Then this is a face float with the 10-degree taper. This cuts on the big face of it, so this would be for the side of the wedge pockets and anything else where this will fit, obviously. So you saw me cut everything by hand and lay this all out. If you're making planes, you should really have floats. And since you'd already be working with steel and using the steel for your blades, what I went ahead and did was I just made my own set of floats. This should last me the rest of my life. If you need to touch them up, just use the finest file you have and delicately run over all the teeth and put an edge on them. And then last but not least, I use this. This is a backwards facing Sawzall blade, and this will be for fine trimming and stuff like that. But it's just part of my boneyard in terms of the tools that I use. But these are going to be the principal tools. So this is it. This is the end of the project, the Plane Maker's float. Good luck if you try making them. And see you on the next one. Stay strong.